Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna make a suggestion made by Taqy. I put the message made by him on the screen right now. Um, so he suggested us to make update the clicker to adding a memory saving. So whenever you get like to a certain place or whatever you get here, when you refresh, you continue from that. And he also suggested us to make a shop so we can upgrade like our clicks per second. Yeah. So now we'll get to the coding place. Okay, we're here. Um, Currently we have this going. So this is the index.html. To first of all, we're gonna add the memory saving so we can continue from where we are left. For that, I want to go to clicker.js and get my place ready. Okay, so I got this ready. We're gonna be using something called local storage. It will save our data to your computer without having to you open a server which they will put their info in a server. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna write local storage. Actually, no, not local storage. If in parentheses local storage dot. Now we're gonna make a thing in local storage. We're gonna call it stg clicks, which in my opinion stands for storage clicks. We don't want to get it confused with the normal clicks we're using. If local storage.stg clicks is bigger than or equal to 0, then we will do clicks equals number local storage dot stg clicks. Okay, then we're gonna do else. We're gonna do if else, then it will set clicks to 0. Okay, now that's why we get to delete this clicks equals 0. Now every time we click, we want to change the stored click. That's what we're gonna do. Local storage dot stg clicks equals clicks. Okay, now we want to test this out. We go to index.html and then we open with live server. Okay, as you can see, we currently have 0. We're gonna bring it to 5. And now I'm gonna click F5, which stands for refresh. And as you can see, it brought us to 5 again. If you can, I'm gonna click this and I'm gonna click restart here. And as you can see, it brought us to 5. I'm gonna bring it to 12. Restart. 12. Okay, that's what we got going. Now, he also suggested us to add a shop. Now, to add a shop, let me get to index.html. In here, I want to make a button. I will make this button. I'll call it clicks per second, CPS, ID, CPS, class, CPS. Okay, now when we get to clicker.javascript, we will make a function. I mean, not a yeah, actually function. Oh, I forgot to add on click. We're gonna name it CPS by, and yeah, we get here function CPS by, and then it's gonna increase or clicks per second. That's why we're gonna make a variable variable. Actually, I want to save this in the local storage too, because when we load up, we don't want to lose all our progress. We're not gonna be losing how many clicks we got, but we're gonna be losing our upgrades. That's why I want to make it a storage too. If local storage dot, and I'm gonna call this one limiting. I'm gonna call this clicks per second. Yeah, and bigger than or equal to 0. I want to put a space there. If then it will set CPS to number. However, we're adding the number because it saves it as it might save it as a text. That's why I want to make it a number so it actually works. Number local storage dot stg clicks, and yeah, I mean not stg clicks, CPS. Now I want to come here and okay, when it gets here, also else CPS equals 0. Okay. Then it will change the CPS by 1, which is CPS plus 1. And it'll also update the CPS. That's what we're gonna do. Local storage dot CPS equals CPS. Okay, now we're gonna want to make the CPS actually work. That's why we're gonna make a new line. Set interval. Oh wait, it just ruined. Interval function clicks equals clicks plus CPS, and now we're gonna make a delay 1 second. Okay, let's test this thing out. I want to launch my index.html. Okay, in here there's CPS. I click it and it should be able to increase my clicks per click, so that's not how it was supposed to work. Okay guys, I have found the problem. So the problem apparently was that if I forgot to update the text as soon as it actually increased it, so that's why as you can see it's increasing my 3 because I clicked this 3 times. If I look, currently it's increasing by 3. You look at it. Now I'm gonna click this one more time. Now it's increasing by 4. Yeah. Okay. I just want to have a really good time. Okay. So I can leave this now. As you can see, this is the script for adding it. Set interval function. Clicks equals clicks plus CPS. Document dot get element by ID. Count dot innerHTML equals clicks. So I forgot to add this line, which updated it. Yeah, I'm challenging you to um make the style by yourself so you can get more experience of the coding. You can look at my old episode to see what I did here, and you can add that to the button. And that'll help you customize it. This is a challenge so you can learn more about coding. Um, Next episode I'm gonna make the style on the other video.